Renowned fine art photographer Doreen McGunagle is excited to invite art enthusiasts to the opening of her latest collection, The Majestic Power of Water. This stunning exhibit will debut with an artist's reception on November 21st from 5:30 to 7 o'clock at the Palm Beach Gardens Tennis and Pickleball Center. Curated by Amy Stepper as part of Palm Beach Gardens Art in Public Places. The majestic power of water captures the essence and beauty of water through 24 unique fine art limited edition prints handmade in Italy. From the peaceful reflections of lakes to the powerful movement of ocean waves, each piece invites viewers to connect with nature's tranquility and strength. During the reception, Doreen will share the inspiration behind each piece and offer insights into her artistic journey. This is a perfect opportunity to experience her work up close, speak with the artist, and enjoy an evening surrounded by beauty. This event promises a delightful blend of art, nature, and conversation. All are welcome to attend, whether you're an art lover, a nature enthusiast, or simply looking forward to spend a memorable evening. Join us on November 21st to experience the majestic power of water and immerse yourself in the beauty of fine art photography.